Good morning, student. Welcome all of you in our English class. As you know, the topic advertisement is going on. Under this topic, we have completed various subtopics like for sale, for purchase, whether it's about vehicle or property. We have also completed household items that are to be disposed of. Now, to continue the advertisement, today we have two topics. One is situation wanted and second is situation vacant. Situation means any type of vacancy, vacant seat in a company or firm. So what is situation wanted? So let me tell you the advertisement under situation wanted. This advertisement is given by a job seeker. Job seeker means the person who is looking for, who is finding a job, who want to get a job. That job seeker, he himself give to the publication in any newspaper in which he is ready to give his service. In simple terms, I can say that situation wanted means a person who is unemployed or who is fresher or who is already working in a firm, a candidate who wants to get a job and he would like to get his advertisement published in newspaper. On the other hand, situation vacant means in case of this advertisement, so this advertisement is given by a company, a firm, to be published in newspaper, in local daily, to recruit the candidate, to give the employment to the candidate. As I got phone calls related newspaper that in a box while answering any advertisement, so where we have to put the name of the newspaper. So for your kind information, the advertisement, it's not written in first person or second person. Directly we cannot apply or we cannot offer to any candidate. So that's why indirectly these advertisements are supposed to be published in newspaper. So they will be published, and if a candidate, he wants to get his advertisement published or a company wants to do the same, and he will apply to the newspaper agency, and newspaper agency will publish the advertisement. So in this way it will reach to the deserving candidate. So coming to next, let me tell you that how you have to do advertisement vacant and in vacant and wanted column. So you have to I have written one format of situation wanted. I think no need to write the complete format. I have only highlighted a few things. So what are these? A first class graduate in. Graduate means its general term, graduate. In. So you have to write here the particular according to the question. Only one word you have to change. If in question particular things are given, you will write the same. If not given, so you can write according to your own. So graduate in BE, commerce, management. So in which field he is graduated? So from name of the institution or the university, IIT Delhi I have written, Delhi University I have written. So here if it's changeable you can change. If it's not given, so you can write any name of the university or the institution. Requires a job having 3 years of experience in this field. In this field means it's unchangeable. Whatever thing is mentioned above, so we have written here in this field, it's in general term, it's unchangeable. We do not have to change it, and we do not have to write here in this institution or in multinational company. So though we can change, we have freedom, but if you want to fix only one thing, so then you have to change only one thing, that what's your qualification, in which field you are qualified, so that it will be very particular. So good command, it's about the language. Our English and Hindi means having a good communication skill in both of the language, English and Hindi, equally well versed in English or Hindi, both the languages. So in this way, you have to highlight the language portion. After language, you can add technology, that he has good knowledge of technology or working knowledge of technology. And next, pay accepted, the pay that candidate is able to accept, and or you can write expected salary. From the side of the candidate, the salary is expected, so you can fill here digit expected salary. And here contact, you can write contact. So next, I will again highlight a few points related to situation vacant, but before it, would like to tell you very simple, very simple. Only you have to change the experience. If you know, if you do not know, so just write experience in this field, or and if you can change, so you can change, otherwise it will remain permanent. One sentence about language, one about technology, and other about your experience and your salary. You have to mention. Nothing is that you have to worry about it. So here you will write about the qualification or your education. So next, situation vacant. So again I have written situation vacant. So I think what is changeable, so you will be surprised to know that a few things, not a few things are there. So you have to write here wanted. Under situation wanted, we just did not mention wanted. Here we begin with, in situation wanted, a well qualified, experienced in the field seeks for a job. He is looking for a job. And here wanted a well qualified and experienced name of the post: teacher, accountant, engineer. For company, name of any company, institution, school, college, it can be mentioned here. Next, the same. Under situation wanted, earlier in the previous topic, situation wanted, we will write that the person is, he has. So here the candidate must have. The candidate must have, what must have? Working knowledge of technology, good command over language, having good communication skill. He must have graduate, must have 3-year experience. And as far as salary is concerned, salary, so you can write either way. Salary can be written that attractive salary and perks would be given. Handsome salary will be provided to the deserving candidate, and salary no bar for deserving candidate. Means salary will not be hindrance if a candidate he deserves really. So in this way, so you can write, and here at last you can write the deserving candidate or the interested, those who deserve for this job or those who are interested. Candidate may apply, may send your resume, may send your CVs, anything you can mention here within 7 days or within 3 or 2 days, and you can end up. And do not forget to write in box. It must be written in box.